Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform for youth. In this video, we're going to give you details about the Gwangju Institute of Science and Technology Undergraduate Scholarship Program 2021. This is a fully funded scholarship program and the deadline is 15th March 2021. Applications are open for the GIST Undergraduate Scholarship for 2021. GIST Scholarship is one of the prestigious and most competitive study abroad opportunities for international students. The scholarship is fully funded. It will cover almost all the academic expenses including the accommodation. GIST is a well-reputed university of South Korea. It ranks as the third top university in South Korea and ranks 9th in the QS World Ranking Universities. Studying at GIST will be a new learning experience. The students will be groomed to tackle challenges and step into professional life. The institute trains skilled researchers and scientists who create a robust research base for further development. Gwangju Institute of Science and Technology is known for its art, social science, humanities, mathematics and physics department and world-class innovative researchers. GIST offers a number of research opportunities for international students. Here are some more details about the fully funded GIST undergraduate scholarship. Fields in which the scholarship is offered: chemistry, electrical engineering and computer science, earth science and environmental engineering, life science, mechanical engineering, material science and engineering. The host country is South Korea and the deadline is 15th March 2021. The eligibility criteria: all students are welcomed from all around the world. Applicants should graduate from their college before August 31st, 2021. Parents of the applicants must not be Korean citizens. Applicants should never have been to South Korea or enrolled in a school, college, university in South Korea. Applicant must be able to submit an English proficiency certificate with application. This scholarship does not require SAT. The benefits of the GIST undergraduate scholarship: the scholarship will provide a full tuition fee waiver, a monthly student allowance of 1,30,000 South Korean won, 2,70,000 South Korean won will be allotted as a meal allowance, flight reimbursement will be offered after 1 month of the first semester, a settlement subsidy of 2 lakh South Korean won will be granted to all students without any conditions, 1,30,000 will be provided as student allowance for the candidates who will achieve a GPA of at least 3 on the scale of 4.5. Application process: all the applicants should read the detailed information thoroughly, then create an account on the official portal to start the application. Applicants are required to upload a recent photograph. You can fill in and save the form, log in and continue it later. Before submission, make sure to review it so you don't enter incorrect or false information, and upload all the required documents. Share the application number generated when you sign up with your teacher to provide you a recommendation letter. They have to submit the recommendation letter at least 1 day before the application deadline or else it will not be accepted. Click on the Apply Now button to be redirected to the official website of the GIST Undergraduate Scholarship Program. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the application process of the GIST International Undergraduate Scholarship Program. On this page, you can see the stepwise application process. Number 1. Read the application guide carefully. Number 2. Access the online application website. Number 3. Click Sign Up to create your account. Number 4. Fill in the online application and upload a recent photo of yourself. Number 5. Make sure to keep a record of your application number, which is automatically created when you sign up. Then give this number to your teacher who will make a recommendation letter for you. Number 6. Upload the required documents on the application system. Number 7. Review the application form carefully to confirm that your information is entered correctly and all the required documents have been uploaded. Number 8. Before the deadline, click the submission button to complete the application. Number 9. After submission, check your email at least once daily. Find out if there are any requests for an interview or additional documents from GIST. Number 10. Check your final admission result at the application website on the announcement date. To start your application, click on number 2 to access the online application website. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email and password and click on sign up if you are a new user, or click on login if you have registered before. After logging in, this form will open. This is the foreign applicants registration pop-up. You have to add in your surname, your given name, date of birth, gender, telephone number, nationality, area, zip code, correspondence address, recruit, year, proposed date of entrance, your email address, your password, and then you have to tick on personal information collection and usage agreement. You can view the privacy policy by clicking on the privacy policy link and then click on save to save your information. After filling in the personal information form, this online application detail form will open. At the top of this form, you can see the application number. This is really important. Save this number. All your previously added information is displayed on this page. You have to select your desired major, your final school, graduation or current school. Then you have to add in details of the person who is going to give you the recommendation letter, their name, position, school, university name, email address, telephone number and cell phone number. Then you have to add in your disorder details if you have any disorder. Then the application information. Language proficiency, Korean. Is English the language of instruction at your home institution? Is English your native language? If no, what is your native language? How did you come to know about GIST? Then you have to add in your high school information. Click on new and then add in the education, school name, point of contact, official title, office phone number and email address. And add in your information. Click on new and add in your admission date, graduation date, school name, country, city, GPA and GPA rating criteria. Then you have to add in details about your family members, relationship, name, age, residence, city and occupation. Official test scores, classification, test scores, test date, valid until and issuer. Then you have to upload your required documents. The list of the required documents is given at the right corner of the page. The following files are required for upload: high school profile, high school or university transcript, official degree certificate of high school, official English proficiency test score, standardized official test score report, passport copy of applicant and both parent, official document of parent-child relation, statement of financial resources, honors and awards, these are optional, and then your letter of recommendation. Then you have to give details about your study plan and self-introduction. Firstly, you have to add in your self-introduction and then click on save. Key achievement, reasons to study in Korea and GIST college, study plan and career vision. And then after adding in all these information, to submit your application, click on submission. After submission, you cannot change any information, so be careful before submitting. Thank you for your interest in this video. If this video was helpful for you, do give it a thumbs up.